Alright, so it's like 10:30, and the moon looks really cool. Anyway, the point is, I came home earlier, trying to like chill out, get some work done. There's some jackasses playing some loud music. Anyway, we're gonna find out who's doing this and what's going on right now. Jesus Christ. It's like awful. Sounds like a punk version of U2 meets a garage band. Meets like some other bullshit. I don't know what it is. Like homemade instruments. God. And I don't even know if they might not even be outside. They might be inside. That's the crazy thing. You gotta be kidding me. Hear that shit? It's like there's a concert going on at this store across the street, I think. So I'm just trying to figure out what it is and where it's coming from. So, once I pinpoint the origin, we'll call the cops. Oh my God. It's a concert, that's what it is. At that store. You're kidding me. What's up? How you doing, buddy? What? I don't know, dude.
I don't know.
I came out because it's so loud.
It's so fucking loud. I'm calling the fucking police.
That's what I was just saying. What the I mean, Jesus Christ.
I don't know, but that's not cool, man.
No, dude.
That's not fucking cool.
I mean, the fact that we can hear it in our apartment.
Dude, I thought it was...
How's it going?
Fine.
I thought it was at the Rite Aid or those jackasses that live right next to us.
I'm fucking pissed.
Dude, it's like outside. Yo, look, he's outside without a shirt on. I need to get a clip of this. Ridiculous. Yeah, I'm jaywalking.
More used to naked men. You said, leave the light on, don't be frightened. I'm not sure how long I can wait to see if my apologies accepted.
How's it going?
Were you just fucking loud?
Too proud.
Yeah, I heard the music and I was like, what the fuck? Actually, I was like in my I was in my home, like all the way over there, and I heard this shit. I was like, what the fuck is going on over here?
Cool, man. Did you hear it really loud?
It's really loud. It's like cops gonna get called loud.
Whoa.
Yeah, there's like other people from our building all like, what the hell is going on? Yeah.
Get the fuck up.
Yeah.
Okay, so should I end it soon?
I would probably, before the cops go.
Hey man, this is funny how we fuck. How the neighbors get fucked with like every once in a while. Have you heard of our other parties?
No, I haven't. I'm usually out, but tonight I'm home.
Shit.
It's loud.
What's your name?
Shock.
Shock?
Yeah.
Manny.
Hey. Yeah, actually I met you through Melissa Tremblay before.
Oh yeah. Oh,
yeah.
Shit.
I used to have a beard and long hair, but I shut it all off,
Yeah, this is my sister.
Yeah, you guys moved from over there.
Yeah. This guy's from Australia.
Is he?
Yeah. His name's Aaron.
Uh-oh.
What the fuck?
Whoa.
Whoa.
You know it was coming, that's why I went up there real quick. Real quick.
All right, let's get the hell out of here. Thank you. That's my neighborhood. Bunch of fucking bullshit. Hope that was caught. Well, that's Tuesday night. Yeah.